Welcome to the video. In this video today we are going to explore an extraordinary creature and the importance of that creature in the field of biotechnology and medicine. So what is that creature? The creature is known as tardigrade, and this tardigrade, this is found everywhere, almost everywhere, from deep oceans to mountain tops. Everywhere this creature can be found, and the size of the creature is very small. It is so tiny. The range of the size varies from 0.3 millimeter to 0.5 millimeter. That means it is microscopic in nature. So this is not only tiny, this is also resilient. This can survive in extreme conditions such as freezing temperatures. The temperature range in which this creature can survive is from absolute 0 to 150 degrees Celsius. Yes, from absolute 0 to 150 degrees Celsius. In this temperature range, this creature can survive. One more thing, this creature is also known as water bear or moss piglet. Okay, one more thing, so this can survive in this temperature range. This can survive also radiation in outer space. In case of extreme conditions, this creature can enter a state of a state of suspended animation known as cryptobiosis. That state is known as cryptobiosis, where it loses almost all its body water content and shut down its metabolism, the process of metabolism. This creature shuts down its process of metabolism by entering into the state of cryptobiosis. In case of extreme conditions, this creature is able to do that thing. And this is wonderful in the eyes of scientists, because this creature is highly resilient. If we can mimic, means if scientists can mimic the mechanism by which this creature is able to do all these things, means this creature is able to survive in extreme conditions, so we can develop many things of our needs, right? So this is the advantage, and this is why scientists are curious about this tiny creature known as water bear or moss piglet, and also tardigrade. Tardigrade is the name of the creature. So here in this video we are going to explore the use of this in case of biotechnology. So scientists have already found one protein in the body of these creatures known as Dsup. Dsup for damage suppressor. This protein is the reason behind its protection. Means this protein, Dsup protein, this seals the tardigrade DNA from radiation as well as oxidative stress. So just you imagine, if we could develop the same mechanism as tardigrades have in their body, then we can achieve a very important goal, and that goal is preservation of drugs and vaccines in hot climates without refrigeration. You know, sometimes in case of emergencies we need to deliver drugs and vaccines to remote areas, and for that purpose cold storage is required during transportation. So without the use of cold storage, we can easily transport those drugs and vaccines to remote areas or wherever it is needed the most. Cold storage is not required. Refrigeration is not required. You know that most of the drugs require refrigeration. if we can mimic the mechanism the tardigrades have, because of their mechanism, they are able to survive extreme conditions. So scientists are trying to do the same thing. So already they have found that protein known as Dsup, which is actually responsible for shielding the tardigrade DNA from radiation and oxidative stress. Many more things are there. So one great advantage, if we can mimic the mechanism of tardigrades, one important advantage is without refrigeration we can store drugs and vaccines. Next, in industries enzymes are used. So we can by using this mechanism, maybe we'll be able to make the enzymes robust, and that way we may reduce the costs effectively of the enzymes. Again, in case of regenerative medicines, in case of organ transplantation, human cells or human tissues or even the entire organ can be stored without any damage for long periods if we can, if we could mimic those mechanisms tardigrades use for their survival. Okay, even in outer space, tardigrades can survive. And I have already mentioned the temperature. At absolute zero, they can survive. And you know that in case of absolute zero, there is almost no molecular movement. Still they can survive. Okay. So there is a ray of hope in near future. If we can really mimic the mechanism, we can do many things for the benefit of humanity. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about the topic tardigrade. Once again, I want to say that tardigrade is a microscopic creature. Size varies from 0.3 to 0.5 millimeter. Okay, it has 8 legs, and at the end of each leg there is a claw, and its body is segmented and it remains covered by a cuticle. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.